All right, so right now we got the Oldsmobile getting loaded up. We're about to send it out to Golden Touch Sandblasting to one of our guys, Brian. He's gonna sandblast the Oldsmobile down to complete bare metal. So whatever he's doing, whatever took us a week to do for one door, he's getting the entire car done in a day. So he's masking it up. He's gonna sandblast the entire body, remove whatever Bondo, whatever filler, whatever plastic is on that car to make our process a little bit faster. So the car's getting loaded up right now. You guys are gonna see it on the way to the shop, and let's just get it dropped off and let's get the ball rolling with this Oldsmobile project. We got a big project and big news coming out in the next couple of weeks with this car.
After a 3-year trip down Sunrise Highway, we are finally pulling in to the sandblasting place. And let's find out where he is. Not bad, not bad. Where do you want it?
Go to docket, right to that curtain there.
That's the curtain? All right. All right. Which one to go over?
You just drop it down. I don't know who I spoke to on the phone.
Probably Alex.
Okay. Basically, I'm gonna do everything that I can do, and then you guys will go over it with DA, and then the areas that I couldn't get to, just DA them.
All right.
And so probably, I would assume, there's a lot of paint on here. How thick that is.
Yeah.
I might not be able to do like the center areas. Definitely over here I can do, get as tight as I can for the conversation. Obviously I can't get in here because all your glass. See what I can get on top. Go over all this. I go a lot of paint on here. Jesus Christmas.
Repainted a couple times.
Oh yeah.
For the most part, you should be able to get most of it
I'm
off.
gonna try to. I mean, in this case, I'll probably get about 75%.
Okay.
Or more.
Or whatever filler comes out or whatnot, you know, we can always, we'll end up redoing it. And the keys are just right on the gear shifter.
Oh, it runs?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, brother. So,
I'm more impressed with that though.
yeah, you like it?
I like that a
The
lot.
underlift?
Yeah, yeah.
It works. It's a little bit hidden, you know?
Yeah, is that a kit you guys put on?
It's called a lift and tow.
Lift and tow? Okay.
Yeah, it mounts up to the frame,
Nice.
electric pump.
Okay.
Gotta do a little bit of suspension work and then you're good to go. Put whatever you want.
That's my van or something.
If it's a 2500, you can.
35.
Yeah, so you could.
Yeah.
Especially if you throw some plates on the frame, reinforce it a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, so just give Alex a call when you're done.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Bro, I had these lights on the whole time. I never turned them on, so I drove all the way here. That's why the cops were looking at us funny. No good. No good. So we just dropped the 55 Oldsmobile off at Golden Touch Blasting. He should be able to get most of the paint off for us. Whatever he can't get off, we'll just have to hit with a DA and fill whatever back in before we hit it with a nice little paint job. Come on, Brian.
Thank you for calling Golden Touch Blasting. Please leave us a message. We will get back to you as soon as we can.
Looks like you got most of it off. I think at the middle of the hood and whatever by the glass, but we knew that. Got most of it off. Hey, Brian, this Hunter from 360. I'm here to pick up the Oldsmobile. Hey, I just gotta see him. I don't want to just fucking disappear with it.
Yeah, you can pay me.
We're headed to the shop to drop off the Oldsmobile. Once we get this into the shop, to get the next steps of this restoration done, we gotta go pick up our next project.
All right, guys, the Oldsmobile just got back from sandblasting. Let's go inside and check it out. Straight metal, baby. Straight metal. They did a lot. They did a good job. There's still a lot that we gotta do. Glass is out. That's good. We still gotta remove some of these moldings. Still a lot that we gotta do. Still a lot that we gotta do. The owner of this car is not understanding the severity of this project. I mean, come look at this right here. Whoever did the bodywork the first time did bodywork well enough to make the car look good for a couple of years. But as soon as we removed all the body filler and brought this thing down to metal, look at this. You know, like, I don't know what they did here. They just filled this thing up. Shitty patchwork. I mean, there was probably a rust hole here, but spreaded. Come over here to the front. They did a shitty patchwork. I don't know what restoration shop had this car, but this is trash. And I'm not a restoration shop. I'm a production/custom shop, but not a restoration shop by any means. But this right here, bro, this is a Coca-Cola can after dinner. We're gonna make this thing look brand new. Brand new for my boy Flip. I'm excited. This project is gonna be sick. It's already off to a good start. We're ahead of schedule, but I already know by next week we're gonna be behind schedule, unfortunately, because I just know. So let's see, is this window out? Let's see if the window's out. I know they took the back window out. See if they took the front window out. Yep. All right, let's get it. So everybody says I don't do shit here. Everybody says I'm always on the camera. I'm working, baby. I'm working. Fuck is Q laughing in the background? I'm working. Okay. Yo guys, do we have bubble wrap? No bubble wrap? So we just gotta pray that these glass don't break because these idiots don't got bubble wrap. The cats are gonna come break into the shop overnight and look at this. They are. They're rust inside there. My boy's got a timeline on this car too. That's the hardest part about this right now. There's a timeline. We need to have this car done. I mean, I really can't say when. He needs to say when first. You know, restorations, if you know restorations, you know how long they take. And we're on a real time crunch here. I mean, bro, can you guys just look at this for a second? Who put this car together? Actually, I wanna know because this is gonna hit his channel too. I really wanna know who put this car together. I'm gonna be honest because this is some real bullshit. What is, you guys put fucking putty, bro? This is putty holding this glass together, holding this window seal. Look at this interior, bro. Whoever did this did a shit job. I'm not saying we do the best work in the world either, bro, by no means. But come on, bro. This is some bullshit. Flip, we're gonna do right by you, bro. I got you. Whoever did this car, whoever you bought it from, let them know. Show them this video. I'm talking my shit. This is shit work, and they did not sell you a clean shell. Look at this, more rust right here. Holes, bro, holes. Bondo, this thick was on this body. Bro, it's a couple of things are still on this car, yeah. Yeah, ooh, yeah. That's pretty thick. The camera's not catching that. You can't tell.
Okay, how about? The camera's not gonna catch that. Come look at what the camera caught.
We're gonna have to go with 80 grit on top of this thing right now. Bro, I can't see. What's up? I'm good, how are you? I was an electrician for a year. I'm not even lying. Yo, Yanni, tell him. He knows. I was an electrician for a year.
Whoa! Yo, that's it, guys. The snap-on light came down and the light shut off. That's it.
Trying to fucking honestly see, but I can't see because this light's blinding the shit out of me. Yo, what up, bro? How are you?
Sexy as always.
Yo, you want to paint tonight? Get the fuck out of here. It's up to you. Saying you fucking.
You wanna fix this set of lights too?
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it, bro. I'm gonna fucking.
You wanna fix the pipe too
What?
while you're up there?
What happened to that? I walked down the ladder, bro. That's all I did. I didn't say move the ladder. I didn't tell anybody to do anything. And that light is working. Look, that's how much you guys give a fuck over here. This light, this has been fucking broken like this for 6 months.
Yo, let's go.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm getting ready to.
why you laughing? What do you mean?
My guy. Did you like, I really appreciate this, what you're doing, man. Bottom had rust, but what part of the body doesn't have rust?
I mean, majority of the body's Gucci. It's just like 2-3 spots that have rust holes that need to get taken care of.
So you trying to say that the company didn't take care of that? Those people didn't take care of it at all? Or they painted it and it got rusted after?
Whoever fixed the car the first time, fixed it so the car could look good for like 5 years.
No, I'll sue y'all too.
Now, I'm gonna have some paperwork ready for your ass in the morning. Looks brand new. Like it's gonna look like 1955 all over again underneath the car. So I think it's a little pricey, but they were showing me some work from like before and afters, It looks like it rolled out of the showroom, brand new. That didn't come in this car. Like this car came with a 6-cylinder, but they put the 8-cylinder where the chassis is still the same. Or is it out of like a completely different, you know what I mean? That's what we gotta know. I'm actually gonna call somebody right now to see if they can jump on this.
What are you talking about?
For the LS motor,
Jump on this?
for the fabrication of the mounts.
Yo, what's up?
Yo,
What's up?
what's up, bro? I need you to call the guys that you know at Sprinted Fabrication
Okay.
and tell them that I have a 55 Oldsmobile Super 88,
Okay.
and I need an LS mocked up and put in there, but it's a time-sensitive project.
Okay, let's just text me all that information. I'm gonna call my guy.
All right,
All right, thank you.
bye.
Watch it, let me see something.
Huh?
Let me see, I'm just trying to take pictures of something.
Going LS in this thing is gonna be insane.
So you think I should throw LS or should I just wait? Because if the LS is gonna take long, I don't, we still have a time frame.
So what was your engine of choice that was gonna go in here?
Tell you right now, give me a second. Probably one of those like Chevrolet engines.
If it's a Chevy, I mean, look, so if you go LS, you gotta change the transmission.
Okay.
You gotta get a custom drive shaft, because it's either gonna have to get cut and extended or cut and shortened.
Okay.
ECU, custom wire harness, and then your dash is not gonna work. Your speedometer is not gonna work, your RPMs are not gonna work.
Okay.
So all that, it's a big
Nah,
swap.
yeah, we ain't doing that then. I'll do that after. Well, I need something,
So the motor you're gonna get now is something that's gonna be able to just drop right in. But what's wrong with this motor? Who told you that?
Research is not, I think that, what is it, a carbon, what is this is in there?
It is carbureted. You
Yeah.
wanna get something fuel injected?
Yeah, it's not good.
I get what you're saying, okay.
Because we could have rebuilt that, but then I don't know how long, like, I want,
It's all time consuming.
yeah, exactly.
All very time consuming.
Exactly. So you want something to put in, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying?
You already ordered the brake kit?
No, I didn't order the brake kit. Yeah, I spoke to the people. People giving me a good price on the brake kit. They was just giving me options of what type of brake kit that I'm going for. All right. So we need to find an engine that's just gonna put in there.
Drop right in.
We clean
or
up.
find an engine, or find swap kit that already exists.
Got it.
So we know we're gonna buy the swap kit, we're gonna buy the motor,
Yeah,
and everything just syncs right up.
got it. Because I needed to drive. Remember, you know the trip that we're doing. You know what we're doing. I can't really talk about it till the commercial come on. I do when ice blast this shit though.
It's gonna, bro, if you saw the pictures, it's worth it. Like they do, I don't know if you looked at their Instagram, but
I'm gonna talk to them. Yeah.
they do some serious work. Like all this shit, like you see this? Like all this is gonna look brand fucking new.
Take all the pictures in there. All right, Sally, let's start recording. Hey, yo, it's Queen Flip. Come 360 Motorsports. You can still record. You need to get the shot from my thumbnail. You need to record a tight shot. If I fall, I'm gonna fuck y'all up.
There it is. Oh my God. There we go. Now I gotta fix the dash.
All right. Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
Now you good? You can be in the shot. I want you in the shot. Yeah. Record. All right. How back can you? How far can you go back? I can't see, brother. Oh, all
Are
right.
you recording this thumbnail?
Yeah. Can you go down a little bit? Now turn that thing to you. So it's to capture a shot for the thumbnail. So what can you see? Tell me what can you see, Sally?
If you have.
No, I'm
if
talking
you
about the
have
car, my brother.
no
Only the car.
no,
that we want to know, brother.
Video, it sounds like P. Diddy context.
Okay, so can you back up a little bit?
Yeah, lower it down a little bit.
There's a little corner there. If you.
Are you videoing the thumbnail?
Yeah.
That's actually smart. I thought it's pictures, bro. I thought you took a picture. I know it's part of the video, so it's like live photos.
I stopped.
Live photos?
Yeah, help me. So you video it because you just screenshot it.
Yeah, it's smart.
It's screenshot in high quality. All right, guys, come on.
All right, I'm a fall now.
You're not gonna fall.
Ah, fuck.
You got up there.
What if I fall, yo? My jacket fucked up?
Yeah.
It is?
Nah.
You said what? Oh, come on, let go. You ain't
Nah, you
tell-
good.
Yo, Queens Flip, man. We here at 360 Motors. Yo, everybody say I never get it. I never get the name. Oh, it's my man. Come, follow me. Follow me, yo.
You do actually never get it.
Good. Yo, come here, yo.
You cut it short.
Get the fuck over here, man. Yeah, well, why you always complaining? Yeah, I heard you complain about a lot of shit. What's up with you? You don't want to be, get over here and talk to your brother. You don't want to be on camera. What's all that about, man? No, you on camera with me.
I just don't want to be on camera.
But you gonna be on camera with me? You gonna be?
With you, with him.
You gonna be on camera? When you enter the shop, it's recorded. I don't give a fuck. Come, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Yeah, look. Yeah, follow me. I don't give a fuck. He wanna quit. Look. Yo, y'all don't wanna be on camera. We gotta respect it, yo. You gotta respect Yanni's wishes. If you don't wanna be, I like when Yanni's on camera. Yanni's entertaining to me. He wanna do all that shit. He don't wanna be a movie star. Nobody give a fuck what he's talking about. He is the man, though. He bodied it. Look how great he did. How does that make you feel, though, that somebody is dedicated to the work and not?
I've gotten him on camera so many times. I don't think he likes the direct interaction with the camera.
Oh.
Because if you look at the YouTube video, he's on camera. He's on
Yeah.
every single video chopping it up. Right?
Yeah.
I just don't think he likes the direct interaction. And he knows I rage bait him. That's why he don't like being on camera.
Oh, he loves you,
with me.
baby. Oh, okay. He's a good guy. I like Yanni. I like Yanni a lot, actually.
Good people.
Yeah, real good. See? 360. See what happened when I come to 360 Motors, man? I'm causing trouble with my man Yanni. Y'all made me go against my man Yanni. I ain't going against Yanni for y'all again. Yanni don't want to be on camera. He don't.
Don't like it.
You don't like it? You never liked it? He's pretty good, though.
He is good. He is good. Very good. Because
good
he's
at what
just natural. But you can't.
He's not very natural.
He just don't like being on it. I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Yanni packed up his.
He packed up and bounced. He's out. He's out. Yanni left.
You know what I'm saying, man? Yo,
got
Yanni, man. I love you, boy. That's my, hey, yo, listen. I like him, man. Yo, I don't care about that other shit. I'm from the hood. All that shit don't mean nothing to me. What you doing? Theatrical. I'm theatrical. No, he's not theatrical. He's serious. It's just all theatrics for me. But you gotta respect him. Somebody don't want to be on, but when you enter the shop, we gonna put signs. Yo, Yanni gonna leave. Yo, Yanni! Yo, she's slamming shit. He's slamming shit. Yanni, I'm sorry. All right, yo. Let's
Yeah, let him do his thing. All right, guys. So Flip's here. We just got the car back from sandblasting. Who's the mic? I always say that. I always start the videos like that.
You can't tell us. You can't tell us not to say, all right, guys. Come here. Come a little closer.
It kinda goes good.
Why we can't? Okay, why we can't say, all right, guys? Tell us why.
I always go in like that. Every clip I do.
That's his phrase.
That's my phrase. Paulie.
Hey
Sopranos.
yo, this Queen's Flip. All right, guys, listen, this is what we're gonna do. Come on, man. Hey, yo, you gotta understand. Look, listen, I know you are a fancy director. You did pretty good at a short time, so I give you that. I'm extremely impressed. You have to also understand character. If his character is all right, guys, you trying to make some type, and I get it. I get what you trying to do, but also let the guy be himself. He's a little nervous, man. All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Yo,
so
it's Queen's Flip, man.
he came, you saw it.
I mean, we here.
We good.
I'll see you soon, man.
We good.
Queens.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, shit. Can we get the last word, motherfucker?